In this video, I'll be showing you how to use SunPump. It will be a basic tutorial for complete beginners, right? If you want to learn how to use SunPump, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of more educational content and guides like this. So if you guys go onto YouTube now and search for SunPump, right, you'd see there are lots of videos about this. So SunPump is like a lookalike pump phone, but it's on the Tron blockchain and the Tron ecosystem. So there are lots of videos about this already here on YouTube. So but in this video, I will show you how you can use SunPump, right? So what you need to do is to head over to your browser, that is your Chrome browser, right? Head over to your Chrome browser and search for SunPump. Yeah, so this is it. This is SunPump. So I'll click on this and wait for it to load a bit. So yeah, this is SunPump dashboard display, and from here you see there are lots of tokens already here, right? So it's the first meme fair launch platform on Tron. So it's just like Pump Phone, but it's on Tron ecosystem. So these are the tokens on Pump Phone, right? This was created some few minutes ago, right? So this cat dog, this is fat cat. So this works with a bounding curve, right? If you have used Pump Phone before, you'd get to know that there's something called bounding curve, and before your token gets listed on the platform marketplace, it needs to complete this bounding curve, right? So this is still 20.59%. So before this token goes live automatically, this is basically like a pre-sale, right? You'd buy a pre-sale. Okay, it's currently trading for 0.0009 Tron, and it has a market cap of $14,000 at the moment, with a liquidity of $20,000, right? It's gradually increasing. So this is 30%. So once this gap fills, you see that this token would go live immediately on this platform. So there are lots of more tokens here. So anyone can basically launch his or her token here on Pump Phone, here on SunPump. So it's just like a lookalike Pump Phone, right? So this is, if you want to launch a token, this is where you launch a token. You would attach the image, your token name, token symbol, token description, websites, right? Then you connect your wallets and boom, it goes. So this is the docs. This is about SunPump, what you need to know. So if you are kind of imagining what is this pump, what is this SunPump of it in, you see SunPump is the first dedicated platform for the fair launch and trading of meme coins. So this is, you just read through all this. This is the technomics, this is how to participate, this is how to launch, this is token details, everything you need to know, in fact. So this is their Twitter, their Twitter handle. So you'd give them a follow, right? So this is a Telegram. So if you want to connect this, you need to connect a wallet basically. So you'd be needing a wallet like the MetaMask wallet or your Tron Link wallet, right, to make this happen. So this is the complete beginner's guide on how to use SunPump. So it's pretty easy. Anyone can launch token here and make some profits for themselves. So you can still filter this by the trading volume. You can see this is the latest trading volume. You can still you can see this token has $7.8 million market cap. This is SunDog. This is 195 million. So imagine if you bought into this at a very early stage, you'd make lots of profit for yourself. This is 21 million. So all these are top tier tokens moving. This token has done 49,000%. Like, this is really insane, right? So you can see lots of amazing. This token has done 49,000% as well. So you can still filter this by the market cap. You'd see tokens with the highest market cap. So SunDog is highest here on Tron at the moment, with a market cap of $192 million market cap. So these are lots of other crypto tokens here that is on Tron. So yeah, anyone can launch. If you click on here, you'd see basically how it works. No pre-sale, no team allocation. Pick a token that you like, buy the token in bundling curve, sell at any time to lock your profits. Like, this is basically how it works. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can launch your own token on SunPump. So if you enjoyed this video, ensure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of more educational content like this. I'll be making a video how you can launch your own token that is here on SunPump. So ensure you watch that video, ensure you anticipate, and ensure you share to your friends and people who may need this video helpful. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.